In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact your Dasher or reach Dasher support. If you're a customer with an active Doordash order, start by opening the Doordash app and heading to the Orders tab. This is where all your current and past deliveries live. Select your active order, the one that's on the way right now. Once you're on that order screen, you'll see options to message or call. Tap message to send a quick note to your Dasher right through the app, or choose call if you need to speak with them directly. Keep in mind you can only reach your Dasher while the order is active. After it's delivered or cancelled, those contact buttons disappear, so it's best to reach out as soon as you have an update. When you message, be clear and specific. Share helpful details like the best entrance, gate, or elevator instructions, or where you'd like the order left. If timing is critical, maybe you need to confirm a substitution. Calling is often faster. Give your Dasher a moment to respond. They're usually on the road and may be navigating or safely parked before replying. If you don't see message or call, double check that you're viewing the currently active order and try refreshing the page. All communication stays in the app, which helps protect everyone's privacy and keeps your order details in one place. If you're a Dasher and you need help from support, open the Dasher app. On the home or order screen, tap the question mark icon or go to the support hub. From there, pick chat or call to connect with the support team. Chat is great for quick questions or troubleshooting while you're waiting at a store, and call is best for urgent issues that could affect your delivery timeline. Having your order details ready can speed things up, and staying in the app helps support see exactly what order you're working on. If your connection is weak, move to a better signal or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular so you don't get disconnected. You can also call for live assistance directly when that's the fastest way to resolve an issue. That's it. Simple and effective. Customers use the Orders tab to contact your Dasher during an active delivery. Dashers use the support hub to chat or call when you need help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get what you need quickly and confidently.